How often have you heard that plant-based diets can't provide enough protein? This notion has been floating around for years, creating a cloud of misunderstanding over the heads of those considering a plant-based lifestyle. The truth is, plant-based diets can absolutely meet your protein needs. The key lies in knowing your sources and how to incorporate them into your meals effectively. So let's bust this myth wide open and dive into the world of plant-based proteins. It's time to set the record straight on plant-based proteins. Protein isn't just about building muscles. It plays a vital role in every cell of our bodies. It's the building block of our bones, muscles, skin, and blood. Beyond its structural role, protein is also necessary for repairing body tissues and creating enzymes and hormones that regulate body functions. Protein is like the multitasking superhero of nutrients. It even helps in transporting oxygen in our blood and boosting our immune system. So, it's not just gym goers who need protein, we all do. Now you might be wondering, how much protein do we need daily? Well, for an average adult, the recommended daily intake is roughly 50 grams. But remember, this can vary depending on factors like age, sex, and level of physical activity. Getting enough protein is crucial, whether you're a meat eater or prefer plant-based meals. And if you're curious about how to get protein from plant-based sources, stick around. We've got a treasure trove of information coming up next. When we say herbal sources of protein, what exactly do we mean? Well, it's not as cryptic as it might sound. Herbal proteins are simply proteins that come from plants. They can be found in a variety of foods like legumes, nuts, seeds, and even certain types of algae. And guess what? They're every bit as potent as their animal-based counterparts. In fact, they come with a host of additional health benefits, too. So, let's dive into these herbal powerhouses of protein. There's a world of protein-rich plants waiting for you. Let's dive into some of the top herbal protein sources that can help you meet your daily protein requirements. First up is spirulina, a type of blue-green algae loaded with protein. In fact, protein makes up about 60 to 70% of its dry weight. Talk about a protein powerhouse. Next, we have chlorella, another type of algae that's a strong contender in the protein department. Chlorella is about 50% protein and is also packed with vitamins and minerals, making it a nutritional all-star. Hemp seeds are another fantastic source of herbal protein. These tiny seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. They're also rich in healthy fats and fiber. Let's not forget about quinoa, a grain that's often mistaken for a seed. Despite its small size, quinoa packs a significant protein punch and is also a complete protein source. Then we have lentils, a humble yet potent source of protein. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides about 18 grams of protein. Plus, they're loaded with fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are another excellent source of protein. They're versatile and can be used in everything from salads to hummus. Lastly, we have chia seeds. Don't let their small size fool you. These tiny seeds are packed with protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. It's important to note that these aren't the only sources of herbal protein out there. There are many more, including peas, almonds, and even Brussels sprouts. The key is to incorporate a variety of these protein sources into your diet to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Remember, a balanced diet is the best diet, so don't limit yourself to just 1 or 2 sources of protein. Explore the plant kingdom and discover the many protein-rich plants it has to offer. And these are just a few examples of the protein-packed plants out there. Wondering how to incorporate these proteins into your diet? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Let's dive into some ideas and recipes that can help you add these plant powerhouses to your everyday meals. Starting your day with a protein-packed breakfast is a great way to kickstart your metabolism. Spirulina, a type of blue-green algae, is an excellent herbal protein source that can easily be added to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. Just a tablespoon can give you a substantial protein boost. For lunch, consider a hearty salad with a generous sprinkle of hemp seeds. Not only are these tiny seeds a great source of protein, but they also add a delightful crunch to your greens. You could also stir them into a vegetable stir-fry or even sprinkle them on top of avocado toast for a protein-rich midday meal. Snacking can also contribute to your protein intake. Try a handful of roasted chickpeas or a homemade energy ball made with chia seeds and nut butter. Not only will these snacks satisfy your mid-afternoon cravings, but they'll also provide a good dose of protein. Now let's talk about dinner. Lentils and beans are fantastic protein-packed additions to soups, stews, and curries. Or you might consider a quinoa salad. This pseudo-cereal is not just versatile and delicious, but it's also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Lastly, don't forget about dessert. Black beans can be used to make a surprisingly delicious and protein-rich chocolate brownie. Or for a lighter option, try a chia seed pudding flavored with your favorite fruits and a drizzle of maple syrup. These are just a few ways to add herbal proteins to your meals. Remember, the key is to experiment with different foods and flavors. You might be surprised by how many delicious and nutritious meals you can create. With a bit of creativity, getting your protein from plants is not only possible, but also tasty and varied. So, don't be afraid to explore and try new things. After all, variety is the spice of life. Herbal proteins offer more than just protein. They're brimming with a wealth of additional nutrients, including a variety of vitamins and minerals. For instance, spirulina is not only a protein-rich superfood, but also a great source of iron, B vitamins, and antioxidants. Similarly, chlorella offers a significant amount of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, besides being a complete protein source. These nutrients aren't just add-ons, they play crucial roles in our overall health. Antioxidants, for example, help protect our cells against damage. Iron is essential for our blood health, and B vitamins play a key role in energy production. Moreover, the fiber content in these herbal proteins aids in digestion, promoting gut health. So you see, when you incorporate these herbal proteins in your diet, you're not just meeting your protein needs, you're also nourishing your body with a range of other essential nutrients. Clearly, herbal proteins are nutritional powerhouses. But how do plant proteins measure up against animal proteins? This is a question that often comes up when discussing plant-based diets. The answer lies in understanding the absorption and utilization of proteins in our bodies. Animal proteins are often lauded for their completeness, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. However, this doesn't mean plant proteins fall short. Contrary to popular belief, many plant proteins are complete too, such as quinoa and soy. Moreover, the concept of combining proteins throughout the day allows us to obtain all essential amino acids even from incomplete plant proteins. So you could have beans at lunch and rice at dinner and still get all the amino acids you need. Another key distinction is digestibility. While animal proteins are generally more easily digested, plant proteins offer dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and offers a host of other health benefits. In fact, plant proteins can be just as effective, if not more, than animal-based proteins. Still have questions about plant-based proteins? You're not alone. Many people wonder if plant-based proteins can really meet their nutritional needs. Well, let's tackle some of these concerns head-on. One common question is, can I get enough protein from plants? Absolutely. Many plants are rich in protein. In fact, some, like lentils and quinoa, contain more protein per cup than an egg. Another frequent concern is about the quality of plant proteins. Are they as good as animal proteins? Indeed, they are. While plant proteins are often labeled as incomplete, this isn't entirely accurate. All plant proteins have all 9 essential amino acids, albeit in varying proportions. And don't just take our word for it, nutrition experts agree. As renowned dietitian Brenda Davis puts it, with a varied diet, getting all the essential amino acids is not an issue for vegans. With the right knowledge, a plant-based diet can meet all your nutritional needs. So, where do we go from here? We've explored the importance of protein, delved into herbal sources like spirulina, chlorella, and hemp, and even busted some myths. Now it's your turn. Experiment with these powerful plant-based proteins in your meals. Try out new recipes and see how your body responds. Drop a comment about your favorite plant-based proteins or any novel recipe you've tried. Remember, your diet is a personal journey. Explore, experiment, and find what works best for you. That's all for today's plant-based proteins. We hope you found this information helpful and enlightening. Your journey towards a healthier lifestyle is a brave and commendable one, and we're thrilled to be a part of it. If you've enjoyed this content, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. We got a lot more to share with you. Stay tuned for more exciting and informative content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring.